Love brings joy, faith, peace, brings love.
Love brings love.
Brings love.
Brings love.
Brings love.
Amore porta amore.
Dans toutes les langues, ça se dit. Et c'est beau.
Love brings love. Love brings love.
I think Alber brings love.
Je suis vraiment émue, quoi. Émue parce que, honnêtement, j'ai l'impression qu'il est là. J'arrive pas à y croire, quoi.
To me, it's difficult to talk about Alber. I think it's say he was. To me, he's here. He's worn by Maria Carla. She is a friend of the two of us. And so it's about a connection.
Une immense joie d'avoir vu quelque chose qui aurait pu Albert plus que tout.
I'm sure he's smiling from above. He's giggling from above.
I think more than anything, my favorite memories of Alber is just coming with a dress and just saying, let's just cut it off, and just taking the scissors and slicing it off.
I remember when we did the Lanvin campaign and we were giggling with him and, just chatting away.
La première chose qu'Albert m'avait dit, c'était mais c'est pas moi qui parle, c'est les vêtements, c'est la robe qui décide. Tu vois, il était toujours un peu... C'est elle qui décide de sa longueur, ourlet, pas ourlet, enfin tu vois.
Albert's been woven through my life. My daughter at 15 interned for him. I don't know, he's like family.
Albert's legacy will just be his love and appreciation for women and the beauty of fashion.
I think his legacy in fashion will be just authenticity, love, respect, and just creativity.
The incredible mix of polish and rawness. I mean, there's so much to explore and contrast like that, and if that would be his legacy, I think that would be wonderful.
Aujourd'hui, on est tous réunis pour lui, pour continuer à célébrer en fait l'amour, je crois.